how to use Betway for the first time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Betway for the first time, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm assuming you've already signed up for an account and you are logged in, and when you log into betway.com, this is the interface that you will see. Where if you look at the very top, first of all you can choose the categories that you can bet on. You can choose to bet on sports, in-play, casino, live casino, Vegas and esports and so on. And at the bottom, depending upon the categories that you have chosen, you will be able to see the games that are available for you to bet on. If you look at the bottom, you will find feed, promotions, banking, my bets and blackjack that you can use over here. And aside from that, what you can also do is if you tap the three lines option, you can also find your all sports settings here, or you can go to my account to deposit money, withdraw money, to find out your pending withdrawals, open bets, settle the bets, help, promotions and so forth. This way you'll be able to use Betway for the first time. It's not really that difficult. Over time you'll just get the hang of it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.